Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing hardware and permissions so the connection is smooth. Charge the pen above half or fit a new battery. The LED often shows readiness. Next, make sure your PC supports Bluetooth 4.0 or you have an open USB port and admin rights to install drivers. Once done, close any drawing apps and open the OS Pen or tablet settings so you can see pairing progress. This reduces conflicts and speeds the next steps when you actually connect the device. Now you'll pair and set up drivers to make the pen functional. Put the stylus into pairing mode, often holding a side or top button for a few seconds, and open the PC's Bluetooth panel to add the device. If the pen uses a USB receiver, plug it in before installing drivers. Install official drivers or firmware from the manufacturer, grant permissions, and reboot if asked. After restarting, check Device Manager or System Report to confirm the stylus is recognized as an input device. Finish by calibrating and testing so your workflow feels natural. Open your tablet settings to adjust pressure curves, tilt behavior, and button mappings. Calibrate to the display if applicable. Then test in a drawing app. Draw varied strokes to confirm pressure responsiveness, check palm rejection, and verify shortcut buttons work. If something fails, update the pen firmware, repair the device, swap batteries, or try another USB port or Bluetooth adapter. These steps resolve most issues and get you back to drawing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.